When you are getting ready for school, check if you brought your zombie. Ben brought a new girl to class today. Just don't mess with her. Because she's a zombie. I bet today will be a lot of fun. Do you need a ruler? I'll ask someone living. Ben, can you give me a ruler? Sure. Here, take Clementine's ruler. Trace a template of an axe blade on gray felt. Cut it out. Attach the felt piece to a wooden ruler so it looks like an axe. Make the edge of the blade serrated. Color the ruler and the blade with dark acrylic paint using a dry brush. Apply blood drips with acrylic paint using your finger. Who brings an axe to school? Oh, it's just a ruler. Our zombie girl has strange tastes. Clementine is standing at the blackboard. Too bad she can't write, but she thinks chalk is very tasty. Shave a thick piece of chalk with a knife. Shape it like a bone. Smooth it out with sandpaper. Zombies only leave bones behind. Calm down, Miss Smith. This is just chalk. Look out! A zombie is attacking Miss Smith. Oh no, it was a false alarm. Clementine is just giving a stylish dragon glass pointer to her favorite teacher. Coat a wooden stick with acrylic paint. Draw a template of a spade on parchment paper. Cover it with black hot glue. Apply a few layers of hot glue to shape a 3D pattern. Adjust the shape with the nozzle of the hot glue gun. Take the hardened piece off the paper. Make 2 identical pieces. Hot glue them together. Smooth out the joint with the nozzle of the glue gun. Attach it to a wooden stick. Wrap twine around the joint. Repeat on the other end of the handle. Miss Smith loves it! Now she can protect herself from annoying students who just won't leave her alone. And Redhead's imagination is obviously running wild. Clementine, do you have an eraser? Hold on, I have to take it out of my head. Here, take my eye. Pour black hot glue onto the plastic center of a white round eraser. Shape a pupil. Create a blue iris around the pupil using acrylic paints. Add pink veins on the white part and a highlight on the pupil. What is this? Oh, I see. It's a zombie prank. This is just an eraser. Apparently, Clementine has a good sense of humor. Poor Redhead. She can't get used to the new girl. Zombie Girl is bored by human classes. Ben entertains his friends with an old trick. How are you doing that? Zombies actually can tear off a finger. Or attach a fake glue finger. Take the glue out of a glue stick. Wrap the container in green polymer clay. Shape a finger. Attach a nail made out of beige clay. Add cracks on the nail. Scrape the finger to make knuckles. Cut around the cap so the container will open. Bake the finger following clay package instructions. Mix red coloring with the glue and press it down into the container when the clay cools. This green finger just won't stick to my hand, so I'll attach it to my hand with some bloody glue. It doesn't work! Hey, Clementine, stop torturing the glue stick! This trick is very simple. Watch and learn. Lunchtime! But zombies have a special diet. What is this? A radioactive lunchbox with bones inside? Roll out pre-made herb cracker dough and cut out bones. Bake them for 20 minutes at 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Put them into a lunchbox with sections. Add gummy brains and pour in some ketchup. Put on a lid with a radiation warning sign. Hey, Benny, taste this treat! Not bad. Let's play Catch the Bone. Too bad Redhead doesn't like zombie food. Oh well, her loss. It's very delicious. What is Ben doing over there? Come on, show me. No? You are so greedy. Hey, Clemmy, don't get mad at me. Look, I made a monster surprise for you. Mark the size of a Play-Doh jar on cardboard. Cut out pieces. Assemble a box. Round the edges. Trace the piece on foam paper. Make the edge wavy. Cover the cardboard with the foam paper and attach 2 big eyes made out of yellow foam paper. Add details with acrylic paint and a marker. Create a face of a funny monster. Make a worm out of light clay. Press in rings. Attach it to the monster's ear. Put an empty Play-Doh jar into the box. Attach the red clay from the jar on top to be a brain. This is a monster with a Play-Doh brain, and it wants to be friends with our zombie girl. Look how scary I am. You can count the veins on my brain. Clementine loves monsters. Thanks for the gift, Benny. Now let's hug. Zombie girl will bring order into this classroom. Ew! These school supplies are so boring. My flask with a brain looks way smarter. Put clear slime into a wide, straight flask. And put a plastic brain into it. Attach a label to the flask so it looks like it came from a lab. Stick school supplies into the slime. We have a surprise for Miss Smith. I wonder whose brain this is. I hope it didn't belong to our principal. Redhead comes up with a way to protect herself from zombies. A pocket-sized baseball bat. Wrap a marker in light clay. Shape a baseball bat. Shape a plug on the handle. Stick broken toothpicks into the bat like nails. Color the nails with silver acrylic paint. Make a cut along the cap. Open the marker. Color the edges with red acrylic paint. Color the bat with dark paint using a dry brush. Attach light clay heads to the toothpick nails. Cover the heads with silver paint. You can't scare Clementine with a bat. Even zombies can understand that this is just a marker. Redhead, your school supplies are amazing! My stapler is missing again! Here, Miss Smith, take these fake teeth! Trace a stapler on paper. Draw teeth along the outline. Cut them out. Make teeth out of white foam paper following the template. Add details. Glue them to the stapler. Apply red hot glue to be gums. Oh my goodness! Is this a stapler? Miss Smith wasn't expecting to see zombie jaws in her classroom, but she likes this stapler. She will bite all the paper she has with it. Miss Smith, pay attention! Zombies are attacking our class! Coat an old sketchbook with gray acrylic paint. Apply red paint to your palm and make a smudged imprint on the cover. Attach warning tape to the sketchbook. Leave bloody imprints using acrylic paint. Hey, you in the back! Quiet down! Redhead quickly opens her sketchbook, so Zombie Girl doesn't suspect anything. I'm just drawing! Our classes have to come to an end. It's time to pack up our stuff. Zombie Girl has a very cute White Walker bear. Open up an old teddy bear. Take the stuffing out of the body so you can put in your things. Don't take stuffing out of the head or the paws. Glue in a zipper. Hot glue a strap slider to a bag ribbon. Burn the other end of the ribbon and hot glue the straps to the bear. Color the eyes with blue acrylic paint so it looks like a White Walker bear. And sprinkle them with glitter. Paint black lids. Slightly open the bear at the front and take out the stuffing so it sticks out. Attach a piece of tape to the forehead. Add red accents. Get ready, White Walker bear! We're leaving! Clementine, let me help you! Oh! What do you have in here? The bodies of your victims? This bear weighs a whole ton! Did you like our zombie school supplies? Let us know in the comments what would you bring to school for a zombie apocalypse. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new zombie ideas from Troom Troom.